This video is going to show you how to set the water hardness on your Smeg espresso coffee machine. Setting the correct water hardness is important because it will ensure your coffee machine prompts you to descale when necessary. Descaling means that your coffee machine will perform at optimum level and ensure longevity of the coffee machine. Firstly, ensure that the machine is ready to use. Then access the settings menu. To do this, press and hold the steam button for 10 seconds. When it's accessed the menu, all 3 lights will flash in sequence. To then access the water hardness, press the double espresso button. You can then choose from soft, medium or hard water depending on your area. The double espresso button will flash to confirm your choice and then illuminate the first 2 buttons on the display. If you found this video useful, please like and subscribe.